There are so many AI tools that requires you to pay before you can be able to generate videos. And the thing is, some of you are just beginners, starting out, you've not started making money from your Faceless channel. And paying for these AI tools sometimes can be very stressful. And most of us do not have enough income to pay for these tools. Now, you're in the right video because in this very video, I'm going to be sharing with you a step-by-step procedure on how you can actually generate videos for free using the app that you currently have on this your smartphone right here that most of you don't even know about. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Divine Kennedy, and on this channel I share with you tips on how you can start and scale your online business. Now, all you have to do is to go down, subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you're going to be notified whenever I drop an amazing banger video like this. Now, make sure to support by liking, also share to your friend. Now, without any further ado guys, let me share with you the real step-by-step method on how you can actually generate videos for free using your smartphone with that app you have on your mobile phone. So let's get into it. So before sharing with you, you can generate videos on YouTube 100% for free. First of all, we need like a storyline and we need a script. So for us to do that, I'm going to be heading over to my phone right here. Let me go to my ChatGPT. So right here guys, you can see my ChatGPT app. I'm going to click on it. So once I'm on ChatGPT, I'm going to tell ChatGPT this. I want you to generate image prompt for me to generate a lucky kind of girl in 3D pixel style. So I'm going to click on full stop and it's going to give me a prompt to generate that image. Now, is that free AI tool you're going to be using to generate this image? You can see we've gotten our prompts here, and it gave us, I think it gave us so many. Wow guys, can you imagine? It gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 image prompt variation. So it gave us 5 image prompt variation. All I have to do right now is to choose the one that I want. So I'm just going to go for this first one where it says soft luxury lucky girl. So I'm going to copy this. Right now, once I copy this prompt, I'm going to head over to my YouTube app. So this is my YouTube app here. I'm going to click on YouTube. Now, once I head over to my YouTube app, guys, now here's how you can actually access it. First of all, you need to come to this place that you see shorts, toggle the shorts. So now once you toggle the shorts on, then the next thing that you want to do right now is to click on this plus icon. Now once you click on this plus icon, right here you're going to see this button is four square. You click on it here. So it's now going to bring out this page. Now this page is known as AI Playground. And right here you can create your video. You can actually make yourself move with an image. You can also create photo to video. Then you can see image, you can create your image. You can also add your background, and you can also generate some music. And all these things are 100% for free. So now let's click on this image right here. Now once you click on this image right here, all I have to do right now is says describe what you like to generate. I'm going to paste in my prompt here. Now after pasting in my prompt, you can see I can choose different style that I want the image to be. Now there's vintage, there's anime, there's clay, there's airbrush, digital, acrylic, polygon, pixel, watermark, pastel. So there's so many styles that I can actually choose. Now all I have to do right now is to click on create right here. So it's actually going to create the image for me. So you can see right here is spinning. So you just have to be patient while you generate the video. And also guys, while it's loading, if you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure to go and subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you're not going to miss out on any video like this. So right here guys, check it out. Can you see this image? And it generated 4 images for me. So now choose like a king, the one that I want for free. So I'm going to choose the second one. I think I like this fourth one here. I'm going to click on the fourth one. So now once I click on this fourth one, guys, you can see I can click on use image, or I can use to create video. If I want to create video, I can still click on it and it's going to create the video for me. So this is what I'm going to do real quick. I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT and I'm going to tell ChatGPT I want you to give me a video prompt where she says I was generated for free, subscribe now. So I'm going to click on enter and it's not going to give me a video prompt where the girl is actually saying that. Alright, so I'm going to copy the video prompts. So right here guys, what I'm going to do simply, I'm going to click on this 3 dot above and I'm going to click on save to device to save the image. Now once I've saved the image right here, you can see save to camera roll. I'm going to go back. Now once I go back, all I have to do right now is where it says photo to video. I'm going to click on photo to video, upload this my image right here. Then you can see I will not put in my prompt here to bring this photo to life. So I have the prompt already copied. I'm going to just paste this in here and I'm going to click on enter. So now it's going to change this image to video. You can see guys, it is creating. And the best part is that we are doing all this 100% for free. So 36%, okay. And it's quite fast, you know, it's quite fast. And the thing is that it doesn't have any watermarks, surprisingly. There are no watermarks for the images. I don't know for the video yet, but let's check out for the video if there'll be any watermark on the video. The watermark is not a problem. You can just easily cut it off. Now guys, let's actually look at the final preview of this video that we generated for free. Let me play it so you listen.
I was generated for free. Subscribe now. It is truly amazing to see how technology brings creativity to life in such a fun and stylish way for everyone.
So guys, can actually see that we generated that video for free. Now you can actually use it for your Faceless channel, for your Faceless page, for your business, I mean whatever. So if you got value from this video, you want to go down and subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on. Also in the comment section, comment what you're going to be using it to generate. I'll be reading all your comments. Ciao.